What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover a top secret tool where you can find micro altcoins before they pump massively to the upside. So with this tool you can find micro altcoins that have massive potential and that could steal 100x from its current position and earn you extreme gains. This tool is free and easy to use and not a lot of people know about it. It's helped me discover new projects and multiply my coins by hundreds. So let's dive deeper into this secret tool. So this secret tool I have been using is KyberSwap, and on here they list the top trending small cap coins that have been exploding to the upside. Just read what their website has to say. Our TrueSight technology analyzes on-chain data, trading volumes, and price trend lines to discover tokens that could be trending in the near future. So very easily on the KyberSwap website, you would head over to the Discover tab, and you get this handy search filter that displays the top trending coins that are surging to the upside. So I like to set my time frame to 7 days, and you can filter by date, so discovered on. So here we have Jupiter token with a market cap of 6.3 million and a price of 0.006, and it's just jumping to the upside the past day. Another example is Mirror Protocol with a market cap of 24 million and a price of 15 cents, and again on the 1-day chart just exploding to the upside. Here's a meme token, Flocky Inu, with 143% pump in the last day with a market cap of 99 million and a price of only 0.00010. And the cool thing is, when you're ready to purchase any of these tokens, you would simply click on the shopping cart here and you can swap for it on either the Ethereum DEX. So here we're on the Ethereum network. You would connect your wallet. I recommend MetaMask. And for some Ethereum, you could swap for some Flocky token. Here's another example, the 1inch token, and 1inch is a separate DEX aggregator. So on January the 10th, 2023, this was discovered, but look at the past 24 hours, 58% rally to the upside. So you would simply go to the shopping cart. You can swap on Ethereum. You can use BNB Chain, Polygon, or even Avalanche. Let's try Polygon. So this brings you to the Polygon network. Don't forget to connect your wallet. And for Somatic token, you could swap for 1inch. And you always want to verify your data, especially volume, on a second source such as CoinMarketCap, and you would head over to the chart section, look at the past 24 hours, the amount of volume, and obviously look at the chart itself. Rising volume bars down here is always a good sign. That means more buyers are jumping into this name. This is literally the top 10 search results for the top trending coins. We can also go to the second page and look at previous tokens that have exploded to the upside. Here's Balancer. Here's the Engine coin. This is a metaverse token and discovered on January the 6th. And if you're wondering what KyberSwap is both a decentralized exchange, aggregator, and a liquidity source with capital efficient liquidity pools that earns fees for liquidity providers. So on top of being a cross-chain, multi-chain DEX where you can trade different coins on various networks, we have Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, Phantom, BNB, Arbitrum, Chronos, Polygon, Optimism, and these are all cross-chain swappable. You can also provide liquidity under the pool section. So KyberSwap is user-funded, meaning individual users pool their tokens in order for swapping to occur. This is how most DEXs work. So for providing your own liquidity, you earn a APR rate for supplying your tokens. So I'll definitely be covering how to yield farm within this platform in a separate video, but for today I wanted to showcase that Discover tab that generates amazing alpha for you and showcases true gems that are about to explode. I highly recommend you bookmark this website and keep your eye on the top 10 trending coins every day. And don't forget to keep up with everything Kyber Network on their official Twitter page at Kyber Network. So obviously this is not financial advice. This technique is more of a day trading technique where you're in and you're out very quickly on a position or trade. Definitely do your own due diligence and research when investing in some of these tokens. Look at who the team is, what the coin is, and what they stand for. Make sure you know what you're buying. If you're lucky enough to get in on one of these tokens early on, definitely sell once the token has exploded to the upside. You want to lock in those profits and secure your win. So let me know what you think about Kyber Swap. Do you want me to cover how to yield farm inside the platform? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.